Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm going to explain about reducing boilerplate. In previous video, I explained how we should use the validation schema to overcome the custom validation. Here you can see in custom validation, we have around 25 lines. We have overcome this with the validation schema within only 5 lines. If you want to learn this one, I will provide the link in the top right corner. I'm going to explain reducing boilerplate in very simple words. We have seen in previous videos, we have used on change, on blur, on value. These values we have been used in a Formik. So with this reducing boilerplate, we are not going to use this one. We are going to replace these three lines with the Formik get field props. We are going to use this short form to overcome all these values. We can also use checked value also here, and we can use these values in the input tag, select and text area tags. So let's start the practical demonstration. First of all, I'm going to remove the on change value and blur. So I'm going to comment this one, and I'm going to provide the curly braces spread operator for mic dot get field props and provide the first name. So here I have provided the first name as the name value. That's why I have provided the first name. In the same way, I'm going to replace every input. So I'm going to place here and rename to the last name and copy the Formik get field props and paste it again. So comment this one, provide email. Here you have to copy the number and place it here. So I'm going to open the terminal, run the Next.js application. Dev. Let's wait for a few seconds. It will open the page. Go to the home page and you can see I'm going to provide a value. I'm going to provide a lesser value and it. So after providing the value greater than 6 character, it throw the error. So it should not exceed the characters more than 6. So after removing this one, it's working fine. And provide Ryan and Bharat at gmail.com and the number. So next I'm going to provide number 34560. So randomly I have provided the 10 numbers. If I submit, it's working very normally like previous one. So this is how the boilerplate has been helping us in Formik. Please provide your thoughts about reducing boilerplates in Formik. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.